This is a risk disclaimer. Trading any financial instrument involves a risk of capital loss. This stream is only for educational purposes and not investment advice. So try not to fuck it up. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and personal results in general are difficult to replicate. If you decide to watch, follow, and you screw up, you can only blame yourself. And now, click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail.
Hello, good
that would
afternoon.
maybe go unnoticed by the common eye.
How are you?
On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
So, good afternoon everyone. We're live. Let me just clean up the window. Okay. Hey Ahmed, how are you? Christine, everyone is here. Okay. Let's have a look on the gold position. Oh, music is a bit too loud. Okay. So, gold position is not doing too well that I opened just now. It's in a bit of drawdown. So let's see how the market plays out. Let me just share trading views so I show you what I saw in the market. So it is, the position is still, currently at the entry point. We had a massive impulse move to the downside. You should see my trading view now. Yeah, so we had this impulse move to the downside, and now price is retracing back. So what I did is measure the Fibonacci retracement, and you can see that price, the entry level was at this level, 61.80. Also price, you see how many times it retested and it failed to break above, and now this impulse move, yeah, it did massage quite aggressively, but the position is still running in a little drawdown, so nothing to worry about. I reduced the risk by 50% because, after this impulse move, we don't know what's going to happen. Market is a little bit volatile today, as you might know that in the news, things got worse in Ukraine. So now we're just waiting out to see what's going to happen on the gold market. We don't have any tradable news today, news events. So it's going to be a calm day, hopefully. It could be anything. So if I just go out, one of the things I explained in the morning briefing was, who remembers what I said about the previous daily low and previous daily open? So so this level, previous daily open, previous daily low, was at around 1910. So this is where the price opened on yesterday. So if I go to the daily time frame, you see this is where the candle opened, maybe a little bit higher. So exactly the same thing as when you go to the market to buy groceries. Imagine your grandma is going down to the market and wants to buy some chicken or vegetables, and says to the dealer, like, hey, yesterday it was cheaper, I want to buy, yesterday's price. So what the merchants or the shop has to do, they have to reduce the price because the offers, or the bids are at yesterday's price, but the current Asking price is at 19.29. So negotiations going on in the market. Negotiations going on in the market, and all the buyers are submitting the bids that yes, we want to buy at yesterday's price. The sellers, the asking price is at this level, so they have to match somewhere in between. Most likely, there's going to be yesterday's previous daily open, previous daily low, because nobody wants to pay, higher price. I think that's what's happening on the market right now. Yeah, but you're confusing higher time frame and lower time frame. So if you look, it's a common mistake that people do. If I post a bearish setup, no, the market is still bullish, but we have retracements, we have pullbacks, we have, market structure. So if price creates a low and then a high in a bullish market structure, what comes after a low and a high? It's a high low and then a higher high. So, these kind of drops, you can expect them. This is market structure. So just because I'm entering a sell position on a lower time frame, just, to catch the counter trade, which goes against the general market direction, doesn't mean that my view is bearish. Absolutely not. This is intraday trading. This one? Yeah, it is possible. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it was a really, really good trade yesterday, but the only easy day was yesterday. So now we're just waiting the price to fill up or clear out the previous daily open, previous daily low. No, I closed it down. I closed it. What happened with GU? GU, this is going to most likely to pay out. It's nice support and resistance that lines up with the daily pivot point. Then we have Fibonacci, we have the trend line. It's a nice intraday bearish market structure. But I locked in profits because I jumped into gold with a slightly bigger position size and a tighter stop loss, but then I had to cut the position on gold in half to reduce the risk, because market is quite volatile. So what I did is instead of the previous 5 lot, I reduced it to 2.5 because market is a bit volatile. So this way I can have a wider stop loss and not have to worry about prices massaging. Wow, you must be alpha. Yeah, we had a good day yesterday, but today is a bit tougher to trade. Starting in a drawdown, but you know, losses are built into this game. Yeah, but you know, if you look at the news outlets, Bloomberg, Financial Times, Ukraine talks may resume, sanctions are growing. You know, we're constantly getting news out from Ukraine. So it's not making it easy. You can't trade this news unless we have, you know, some good intel, like last week from Anna, who was in Russia, and Ivan in Ukraine, because they were communicating the live broadcast of President Putin's speech. So we traded that. That was easy. Just switch back to trading view. So now we just wait. Oh. Okay. So I think people couldn't hear you on YouTube, but I fixed the problem now, so you can hear the Zoom conversation. Thanks, Reynolds. Why is everyone so quiet?
I'm waiting for the news.
Hey, good evening everyone on YouTube. We have 129 viewers and only 39 likes.
Data is out. ADP data is out already.
It's better than expected.
It's better than expected.
Someone is asking on YouTube, is this a buy or sell position? You can see on the screen. What do you think, guys?
No man's land.
It is a sell position, of course. Come on, it says sell right here at the bottom.
Thomas, ADP data is better than expected.
And what's the conclusion of that?
We have to wait and see. Hopefully it should
Maybe.
go down.
Is it bearish for gold or bullish?
There is, yeah, this is. After that, it moved down actually.
You know, trading is at 80% weighting. Is it bearish for gold or bullish?
Yeah, this is. After that, it moved down actually.
So someone, Kasir Atif, sir, if I join your group, will you guide with your indicators and gold trade? Please explain. Maybe. Did I guide you yesterday?
Yes, you did.
And we're back in profit now. Are you guys sitting in a sell or?
Yeah, we're in it.
Yeah.
Michelle on YouTube. We love you, Thomas. Better than Raul's cock.
Oh. I was gonna ask, where is he?
Those who don't know, Raul has an actual cock at the bird. And Michelle was
That's a rooster,
quite
yeah,
fond of
a rooster.
his cock. 1 2 1 2. Maybe I'm gonna move my stop loss back. Yeah, that's safe. Oh, thanks, Reynolds. Just join Kasir, you will love it. Yeah, how do you like it in the Alpha community? Oh. Gold is really playing tough today. That dirty move in the London session, and now it's just moving sideways. It's a pain in the ass.
I closed it before when it failed to break through the second time.
Your sell.
Yeah, I was on the same side with you.
But before on the opposite.
Yes. I did went a little bit opposite after I closed out my short, but then it went to 30, so that's good enough. So yeah, I'm just
I bought food.
Hey, Bachis.
yeah.
When are you buying the new microphone?
Hey, good afternoon.
Hello, hello. From sunny Nigeria. Are you in Nigeria?
Yes, I'm in Nigeria.
Yeah, I guess it's right. Yeah. How is the weather down there?
Everybody's fine here. I bought gold at 1924.
1924. You purchased gold. Oh,
Oh,
it's
the
not too
deep
far.
just now.
Yeah.
My stop loss a bit tight. Oh, I bought at 1924.62.
Someone is buying the dips. So, what
My
I
stop
see on the
loss
gold
is
now is, you know, price is moving pretty much sideways. It's waiting for news, waiting for, you know, something to trade on. I'm pretty sure it's the Ukrainian situation. It's just a little bit messy. Ibrahim Otman, where are you from, Thomas? I'm from Pipland. Stefan Christie, what do you suggest to a beginner trader to focus on except risk management? Focus on one or two pairs. Focus on, you know, getting educated properly. Focus on surrounding yourself with the right people, right community. Focus on, you know, sticking to rules. Have a framework, trading rules. It's really, really important. Doesn't matter what strategy you use. Just stick to the rules. Therefore, if you have some losses, you know, 1, 2, 3, 5%, you know, you can go back and fine tune your rules. But if you don't have a rule, and if you just trade like a headless chicken, then it's going to be hard. Because it's harder to fine tune you, because maybe you're not, you know, seeing the mistakes you make, the issues. It's good to get some outside help. Speak to a friend, someone who trades as well. Share your trades, your ideas, your charts. Communicate. That's the best, I think. That's one of the best. If you start explaining why you're taking trades, and maybe your friends can correct you, like, well, that's correct or not correct. What tips do you have for Stefan?
Follow Thomas rule.
Sorry?
Follow Thomas rule.
No, yeah. So B is asking, Thomas, how long did it take you to get used to the Bloomberg terminal? Probably I would say 3-4 days. The setup was extremely difficult, but luckily we were close to the Bloomberg office in London, so someone always were there to pop up and, you know, show us the. I had a training, so someone was sitting with me for like 2-3 hours, helping setting up the fixed income desk and everything. But after that, it was, you know, easy, because once you set, then you're pretty much done and just executing the trades. But in Bloomberg Terminal, there's always something to discover every single day. That would be great if you share your tips. Yeah, team, what tips do you have for Stefan?
In community.
Join Alpha Academy.
No, that's I think he meant like, you know, what, because
This
you
is the
guys are
best thing
experienced.
what Stephen can do, you know.
You're very kind, thank you. £5 for you. But, you know, if you have something that doesn't cost money, some tips for a new trader, I think everyone welcome those kind of suggestions.
Okay, what do
No tips? Wow.
I mean,
What
if you
help-
just started, just go through some books, like go through the candlestick books and some patterns. Just make sure you can really see. But when you look at a chart, you really need to know what you're looking for, and not just like candles and moving averages. You kind of need to know like what the patterns are or what is showing you. And I mean, you just need to like figure out a way to how to read the chart first before you start using the indicators and a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Experience, go out, experience yourself. But one tip I can give you, if you want free content, Z library or Z library, whatever it's called, it's full with free books. You can download 3 or 5 books per day. So let's say you want to learn swing trading, or no, let's price action. Price action, you go to Z library and you have a ton of materials for free. Like literally, it's every single book is up here. Trading in the Zone by Mike Douglas. Trading in the One. You know, these doesn't cost money. You can download them. Obviously, if you have the means, purchase the original, because that's how you support the author, and that's always the best way to respect someone's work. But if you don't have money, there's always an opportunity to go online and find the things you want for free. So definitely start here, get some books, read and educate yourself, because education pays the best interest for sure. Whoa, what the fish is happening with gold?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Probably you for copper.
Is there any news that's hit the market? Oh yeah, one important thing is maybe focus on the pips and the percentage and not the money, and learn how to manage an account, whether it's small or big. And if you can manage a small account, you can manage a large account. But if you cannot manage a small account, more capital won't solve your problems. Is a good advice as well.
What about just never give up? Like when you feel you're having a real hard time, just learn from that. And when you lose, you learn. For me, that's been important. Just keep getting back up and don't stop.
Yeah, it's wise words from Nick.
I think also once you've done your
Oh, sorry, Ellen, I just accidentally muted you. I wanted to mute someone else.
No, I was just going to say, just once you've done your analysis, wait for the market. Don't chase the market, because that's when you get really big losses by trying to chase something. If it doesn't come to you, then reanalyze, rethink.
Yeah, exactly. Just like when, you know, you're going out in a nightclub and you want to hook up with a nice girl. Don't chase them, because they're going to call the police.
Why does that always come to that sort of subject? I don't know.
Yeah.
Especially coming from a married man who's happy.
Indeed. And the other thing is, you see that yesterday we had amazing wins, and it's not me who telling, it's my colleagues or the members will confirm that they had an amazing week. Like Phoebe managed to pass 5 funded accounts, 3 My Forex funds and 2 FTMO with the gold trade yesterday. So she's now have 3 funded accounts. But today I immediately started with a loss, and this position is running in a drawdown. So, you know, losses are built into this game. There's no other way around. You cannot, you know, skip jump to $1 million and a Lamborghini like most people sell courses online. It's bullshit. Losses are built in. Once you can learn how not to lose money, once you can learn how to manage losses and how to control your emotions, you will be fine. And this sideways move you can see on the chart is not the kind of market you want to trade in. Obviously, we have a clear top and bottom, but it's ugly. And we're just watching it for like 2 hours now, going up and down.
Choppy.
But let me ask one question, guys. If you're asking questions from me, so my question, here it comes: how come we have 181 viewers on YouTube and only 78 likes? That means 103 people are doing nothing. I mean, we're providing you free content. We allow you to join the conversation. You know, these members, founder traders, new traders, old traders, they're all sharing knowledge. And, you know, to show your respect, and if you want to become a better trader, hit the like. If you want to become an amazing trader, smash the like. Hugh Richards, good morning. Let's see how many people we have in the Zoom. We have 74 people in the Zoom. That is insane. Wow. It's a new high. And someone asked, can you check US 30? Absolutely yes. So while instead of watching gold, have a look and analyze US 30. Or maybe we do want to watch gold. I don't know. So US 30. Right, US 30, this was the position I shared yesterday, and it was down about 700 points, which is fairly decent. And you can see how it respected the daily pivot point. Let's see if we see anything on the Fibonacci. A 38.2. So that is good enough for me to jump into a sell. Let's target this low. This is going to be the take profit. This is going to be the stop loss. So put my money where my mouth is. How about I enter into a nice sell position on US 30? It's only one standard lot size. I'm going to use a tighter stop loss. I hate this MetaTrader. Going back to gold. Okay, so maybe US 30 is going to behave better than gold, because gold is not nice. Fly OGK. I hit the like and straight away made money. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Do you just enter US capital?
Oh my god. Yes, I just did.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
So they can gold. Oh, fuck you, gold.
That's a nice confirmation for my position because I entered fell around 34, 470. 33, 470.
Do you think, do you know what I think is going to happen on gold? I think gold is going to make a dirty move. What gold is going to do is going to come a little bit higher to take out this orange line, which is just my stop loss, and then it's going to move down. That is, I think, what's going to happen. So Stefan again, what was your starting capital, Thomas? If you don't mind me asking. It was 0, nada, absolutely nothing. I started as a student, I had no money to start with. I was on demo for months, I was going on trading competitions. Oh, gold. Hey, US 30 is in a whopping £84 profit. Gold is in a drawdown, it's going to hit the stop loss soon. So now, make sure you always, if you do live streaming, you always want to, you know, just show the winning, not the losses. That's what most of the traders do, I noticed. They always show, you know, the winning trades, never show the losses. So, I'm going to jump back to US 30. Which one would you like to watch? £70 profit or minus £800 loss?
I would like to watch good.
Sorry?
I would like to watch good. But I'm in Dubai and I'm targeting 1944.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
So, is it the market going up because you're in a buy?
Probably, maybe.
That's not nice. Hey! Down. Down, down, down. Okay. Gold hit the stop loss, so I'm not going to trade gold, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, yeah, I leave the buy limit, and then we're going to go back to analyze what is happening with gold.
For the first time, I stick with my plan, and I believe in my life.
And my hope is in US 30 now to recover the loss from today. Let's see how much. So this is my P&L for the day. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I think there is a way to show you. So yeah, yesterday we had good trades on gold. Today started with minus 1.2k. Minus, this is where I reduced the risk by half. So I only lost 180 pounds, 148. And then the last loss was minus 90. Oh, it's less than $1,000. That's good. But you know, we're still up profit wise, 7k. So, you know, losses are built into this game. The importance is how you manage risk. Because you can have 1 to even 10 losing trades. It should not affect your overall profitability in it. So let's go back and have a look what is happening with gold. Maybe you can see a nice entry again. Okay, delete this one. So what the fish is happening? So what I can see on the gold chart now is obviously we had a structure break. Price broke the previous higher low, and then impulse moved to the downside and it retraces now. Now it's intraday, it's short term. I'm not saying gold is bearish, but intraday broke the structure, and if you go out to higher time frame, you can clearly see that gold is bullish as hell. It's going up like crazy. But intraday we have pullbacks which you know, are going against the general market direction. So this is a good sell opportunity right here, the 61.80 at 1935. But I had 2 losing trades in gold, so I will be careful placing another trade, because I have exposure in US 30 as well, and I don't want to give back all the profits made yesterday to the market today. So, okay, let me just, someone asked to send my analysis into Discord. I'm doing it right now. I just sent it to Discord.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry, go ahead, go ahead.
I was just saying, I think gold in US 30 has like almost like a inverse correlation.
Sometimes yes, but not always. But recently,
I mean, like,
most of the trades we... Yeah, because you know exactly that when I shorted US 30, I was long on gold. It has, yes, some correlation. It's not 100% always, you know, perfectly negative. So depending on the correlation ratio or a correlation coefficient, but sometimes they do, yeah. Especially during these times when the war hit the news, it was one of the catalysts where it had, you know, perfect negative correlation. And now just draw up this. So this is another scenario, but I'm not going to take this one. I had 2 losses on gold, so that's more than enough for me. Don't give back the profit you made yesterday. But, you know, it's respecting the daily pivot point. My entry was a little bit, you know, too low. Nice support and resistance, daily pivot. Well, if I move down the fib, then it respects the 61.80 as well. What do you think? Should I jump back on a small sell on gold?
I think it could come up a little bit more before myself.
Yeah, I don't really feel gold today.
Wrong, but, you know.
No, it has to complete the second leg of the M. Even US30 is not really moving as it usually does.
On
Oh, one of
30
those
minutes,
days.
seems good as complete the second hand.
Oh, US30 or gold?
Good.
30 minutes? What do I look for?
You put Fibonacci from...
Yeah, it's the 61.80. Fuck it. You know what, if I sent out the analysis, it's only fair if I take the position. And I'll show you what I saw on gold and why I took the position again.
Okay. Let's see.
So, support and resistance, this red line, after the structure break. Then the Fibonacci from swing high to swing low. You can see the daily pivot point and 61.80 lines up. So this was the reason I re-entered again. Now if there was no live trading, I would not enter, because, you know, 2 losses a day is enough. So now I took only 1 standard lot size, which is minor to my account size, so I can afford to lose that. And I'm confident still in this short-term buyish position. Peter asking, Thomas, did GJ hit your alert price to sell from this analysis this morning? I think it probably did, but I was having my afternoon nap. I would wait with GJ because it hasn't broke the market structure. So let me show you, Peter. So one of the things has to happen in order for me to sell on GJ is this line to be broken. So I want to see the same kind of break as I explained on gold. I want to see this one is breaking down, coming back below the pivot point, retesting, and then boom, sell. If this doesn't happen, or until this doesn't happen, I'm not going to sell. Oh, come on, gold. Yeah, so someone just posted a news. Actually, it was Christine. That was you, wasn't it?
Yep.
Well, that's not very rosy news.
Yeah, probably that's why gold keeps.
I'm going to
higher and
close down.
higher.
I'm going to close down gold position. Absolutely don't want to trade gold. That's what we have for US30. US30 is a sell, so that can stay. But gold, no, I just want to stay out for now. Are you guys long or short on gold? Or both?
Sure.
How long?
I don't have anything. It's too confusing.
It is, isn't it?
I mean, if I put a fib, then from I guess from the London session open, like that 1947-ish, that high, till the pop just now from the low, then I guess it has been moving around, like it stays kind of supported around the 76-ish level. So I was more intended to buy than to sell, and then with that news, then it's more likely it's gonna move a little bit higher, but I don't know how far it's gonna go. So
just to confuse you even more.
Yes.
Beginning of the impulse move.
Reason why I bought. That is why I bought.
Is that this bullish arm?
That him. Yes, that him. That him.
Someone's been watching the videos on the website. Well done, Batjes.
That is why I bought. Because if I play my Fibonacci from that low, it's inside 618 to 76.6 zone. And it broke market structure on 5 minutes.
But you didn't share your chart.
Exactly the chart I looked at.
I shared it inside your chart.
Why are you not giving us this nice juicy setups, Batjes? You're hiding everything, you're keeping everything for yourself. It's not fair. Come on.
I always said it.
Naughty, naughty. But good thing is, if you're in a profit, you can afford to buy a new microphone.
So
So Putin Blyat, I think it's a good idea to sell gold at 1935, 1939 because there is an order block on M30 time frame before the drop, and this move probably is a retrace to the double top neckline. Possible. Manzoor's World. Hi, gold is very tricky. What's your view? Is it go up or down? Well, I have some addition to that. Maybe it's gonna go sideways as well a little bit. And then up, maybe down, or down and then up for, who knows. I just pulled that from gold. It's not the kind of market structure I want to trade in. And you know, news is hitting the market from Ukraine. Christine just posted something in Discord.
The news is that one is about 5 hours ago.
Yeah, that's old news. They've already said all this.
Ah, okay, I haven't noticed. But anyway, still, you know, when you have these news headlines hitting the market, it's just not the kind of structure I want to trade in.
And it's not sort of news I really want to hear anyway.
You know, one day we win, one day we lose. Losses are built into this game. Tough market conditions. So, that's it. So, good question. Stabilized Genia, what's your expectation for NFP this Friday? We trade NFP every single month, but you know, what's the expectation? That's market doesn't care. As Friday comes closer and we have, you know, the market maybe calm down because of the Ukrainian situation, then I will do an analysis for the team. But obviously we're going to live stream as well to observe the NFP data printing. Scammed Crypto Hunter, you are very busy in the YouTube chat. Thank you so much, mate. He says, I always enjoy watching you guys. Yeah. Watching me how I watch the charts. Why are we watching together? Atif just joined the team. Where is he? Is he in the Zoom? Let's see. Atif. Hey Atif, welcome to the team. So I just uploaded my P&L for the day into Discord. So we have a results tab, a results channel where we show well, mostly losses, sorry, mostly profits, because you know everybody wants to show off just the profits. Where is my Discord? So I uploaded. This is my P&L for the day. I had GJ and GU from yesterday closed down. That was profit, and since that in the morning, gold is just giving me losses. So I pulled that from gold. Absolutely, you know, £870 profit for the day. I think it's fairly reasonable. It's for a nice stay in Italy in a decent hotel. So just going to buy something nice and leave gold to be.
It keeps respecting the 350, the 1934 mark, but it's not, you know, it keeps on touching it. So when it does that, you never know it could break through.
Yeah, let me just switch back to trading view. Yeah, it does. It does respecting this level. But that's enough for me about gold today.
Yeah, but you wanted to go in earlier, so, you know, that's fair enough.
Sorry?
Well, I did say it would probably come up again, but you wanted to go in earlier.
Well, how about...
No, I know. I'm not saying. Just saying.
Well, you said it already.
I know, but, you know, I know you know far more than I do, and I would never judge you on that.
Do you think it's gonna happen like this?
I'm not saying anything anymore.
You know, you said it. You have to take it.
I do think it's going to. But anyway, you know, what do I know? I don't know.
Yeah, but it's already invalidating the daily pivot. No, so many mixed signals on gold. But at least Batis is making money.
Yes. And I'm targeting 1944.71.
At least someone is making money. So it's good. You know, I think, yeah, if you're sitting in a buy, it's most likely going to go up. Is, you know, general market direction is bullish as hell. If you catch the buy, that's good for you. If you miss the buy, like myself, I'm just going to stay out.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
So, Manur's World on YouTube. I have lost $1,000 in gold. Can you help out to recover it some, please? Mate, you just need to practice and learn. I mean, we all have to struggle with our losses. I don't want to take up, you know, someone else's losses. It's a big responsibility. If you made some losses, everyone does, so it's, you know, it's built into the game. You have to accept it. You have to stop, calm down, step back to, and just, you know, recap what happened, what caused you the losses. And then, you know, it takes years to become profitable in trading. just as any other profession. If you want to be a chef or painter or lawyer, doctor, you have to, you know, climb the ladder, practice, study for years. First of all, study for years, and then when you can start practicing, start working, to get some experience, that would take years again, and then maybe one point in future you become profitable. So it takes time. Don't get, you know, heads up. I think your best chance may be My Forex Fund or FTMO. Don't risk your money. Stefan Christie again. Hey Thomas, just wanted to ask, for how long did you backtest your strategy to get in working? Well, it's not my strategy. It's simple price action. That's how I trade. You know, you just find things that you can execute, and if it works, you know, 70-80%, and just do it over and over again. Stefan, I don't know how long I backtested it. Let's say 21 months and 5 days and 2 hours. So Nadish FDO, is there a video that you take profits? I'm not sure if I understand this question. Does he mean a video where I hit to take profit or close a position?
Yeah, join, come on the Zoom call, witness it, basically.
I'm not sure if I have video. I probably have on my phone. But if you go on my YouTube channel, I'm pretty sure we have... I'm pretty sure I have something. So, if you have doubts, if you want, I have hours and hours and days of live trading sessions. I'm sure in one of them I have where I'm taking profit. You just have to find it. Once you found it, hit me up, send me a message. Oh, sorry, I wasn't showing my trading view. So, this is it, the window. So YouTube, you know, hours and hours of live trading sessions started 3 months ago, I think. So, you know, I do trade live. If you have any doubts, send me a message. But, you know, watch the videos.
GJ looks like it's respected that line just about.
Let's have a look in GJ. Nah, it broke.
Well, it just broke, okay, so it's not...
Yeah. I think it's going to continue higher.
Oh, okay.
It respected the line, the trend line, but no, it's even broke that one as well. And you know, it's above the daily pivot. No, not feeling the market today really, but you know, one of those days. I think one of the most disappointing is when people expecting me to be, you know, always sharp. You know, Thomas is going to give us some nice entries, but you know, trading is not, it's not true. I have losses as well. You see exactly I booked losses today. That's trading. Losses are built into this game.
I have a question, Thomas.
Go on.
This your digit, this zone that you map out, is it based on Fibonacci level or support and resistance?
Yeah, absolutely. Xiao Kia on YouTube. Hi, are you in a drawdown? I don't know how can I be more transparent than this, guys. People asking whether I trade demo, people asking are you in a drawdown, the people asking me is it a sell or a buy position. But if you look on the screen, you can see the details of the trade. You can see I even placed a pip counter on the screen that shows the current profit or loss. But if you have any ideas or any tips, how can I be more transparent and make the stream easier to digest for everyone on YouTube, I'm absolutely up for it. What do you think, guys? How could I be more transparent than this in the Zoom?
Nothing. All we can see one thing.
So, Liu Jian Yang, I'm new here. Could you share your trading journey in these 2 years for motivation? Actually, I can do.
Maybe you should put it in video and send it to him, because you know we hear it a lot.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, yeah. So most of you guys know, but you know, why not? You know, I show you where I came from. You know. Or I came from the dirt.
Thomas, I think most of these people just ask impossible questions, and because they really don't understand the basics, they don't know what to look for. So there's some of the questions are, I don't know, extreme.
Yeah,
because everything is
you know,
clear.
it's
so clear.
I try to be as transparent as possible, but you know, because the industry is really mixed with some bad eggs, you know.
True.
Mostly those guys who trade with Lamborghinis and have those gangsteritis illness that, you know, showing that swag on Instagram, how they made £1 million in $1 million in one trade at the age of 18. I think these kind of people, we have a trust issue. I can show you my trading journey. I came from the dirt. We had to fight for food with dogs and wild animals back in the forest. And then I started growing up. I immigrated to London. No, the first thing was a joke, but I immigrated to London. I was a waiter. I worked in pubs. And, you know, just a regular, usual immigrant. And I went to university and I started studying. I think there is no photo of me at my graduation, but I started working in finance. First job was emission trading desk, sales and trading. I was a sales boy, and then I moved up to trading, execution trader. So it's not, you know, placing crazy trades. And then I moved to Thomson Reuters, which is the second biggest market data provider. And then I moved to the hedge fund industry, where you see these handsome photos of me sitting at the desk with shitloads of screens and Bloomberg terminal. This is really badass. Here's me in suit and the blue shirt, that's how you identify who works in finance. They're wearing blue shirts. I'm chilling in Third Space in London. You know, more pictures of me. Oh, actually, this is a qualification of the Chartered Institute for Securities and Investment in securities and UK financial regulation. I don't have CFA because I only passed 2 levels and I failed the 3rd one. And then I have more pictures holding me a coffee. This is where I was a really successful trader. And then here's me casually walking with the laptop. just sitting on a bridge. You know, this is my story. I hope you liked it. Did I miss anything, Alan?
No.
Maybe you can check out gold now.
Oh, for fuck's sake, gold. Do you remember what I said about gold? That it's going to make a dirty move to the upside, close out my position, and then it's going to move to the downside. That's exactly what I said, and it was on live, so you can rewatch it. I forecasted it. I saw the future. And gold is going to hit my stop loss, and then it's going to move down. So Ibrahim Otman asking, hedge funds, were you a financial advisor? No, financial advisors are different. I was on the buy side of, other than the sell side. So I was working in a hedge fund as a fixed income trader, as well as on the equities desk. So we were not advising, we were managing a $600 million portfolio. That was a prop firm, a hedge fund. So we were not serving clients. Okay, I think it's time for me to close all the positions. Since gold really breaking my heart. Dirty move, closed out my position, and now it's dropping. You mother tucker.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Yeah, gold does this sometimes, doesn't it? And it's literally melting now.
It's still in a sell for US 30.
Yeah, but you know, US 30. So Stefan asking, what currency pairs would you trade besides gold and US 30? I mainly trade these two since January. I used to trade currencies as well. Yesterday we had... How was yesterday's GJ and GU trade? It was pretty good. Some of the major currency pairs, but I only limit down to 3 to 5 pairs because quality over quantity. Haha, Presh. Thank you so much. He said, welcome Atif, you're in the correct place from my personal experience. And also I wanted to say thank you so much guys, the feedbacks on Trustpilot. It was absolutely phenomenal to read the comments. Oh, yeah, this is it. So yesterday I looked at I receive email every single time someone leaves a comment, and I woke up to a dozen of 5-star reviews, which you know, it's melted my heart this morning. So it was a really nice experience to wake up to. Someone said definitely worth $1 million. Well, I wish I get $1 million, but you know, very good comments. Ooh, Batchis, here's Batchis. Undisputed consistency and profitability. Well, Prashant Shah, very good professional analysis. Yeah, that's enough. Thank you so much. Now let's watch how gold closed me out, and now it's melting. Thanks, Nair. Gold. Did anyone sell? Or Botchis, how is your buy going?
I'm still sitting in the buy.
You're still sitting in the buy?
Yes.
Nair is in sell from 61.80, so that was a really nice entry. And you, my friend, already sitting in a profit of 60 pips. Wow. I'm pretty confident it's going to be at least 180 pips.
Almost I am also holding the same.
My buy position is at 203.
By the way, promotion. So, I opened up the monthly discount again, and there's only a few places left. You guys can join to the community with 50% discount. There's only a few places left, so I'm just going to send it into the chat. If you want to become on the other side of the YouTube stream and, you know, appear on YouTube in the Zoom conversation, you can do so by going to that link. I'm showing it into YouTube stream now. And then you have the opportunity to see, you know, all the people who are with me in the Zoom. Raul was cock. Moran was got naked a few weeks ago on live on YouTube.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
NGC God on YouTube. 1921 is his TP, which is just, it's here. I think just below the body of this nice bearish candle. I'm pretty sure it's going to be hit soon. Ah, you didn't take any profit?
No.
Oh, man. Always make the money, take the money. J Riz T asking on YouTube, any Singaporeans? Well, we have 24 of Singaporeans. Anyone in the Zoom?
Yeah.
Me.
Michelle.
Yeah.
Michelle.
Yes.
Yeah, one.
1, 2, 3. Hari, are you from Singapore?
I'm from Indonesia, Thomas.
I know Christian is from Hong Kong.
Adi, apa kabar?
Hai, baik-baik saja.
Hey! Making friends. You know, this is the community we have.
Yeah, you from Malaysia.
Where are you guys from?
Singapore, like Michelle.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yeah, we have over 300 members in the community. Like literally every single inch of the globe is covered. And my friend on YouTube, we have someone from Brunei as well. 2 people. We have Singaporeans, Filipinos, Russians. Yes, we do have Russians. Anna.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comment section, where are you from? And you guys in the Zoom, you can speak. You don't need to comment it.
Comment.
We have Hari's a doctor. We have so many different professions. You know, people in different size, color, profession, age. We have from 18 years to 55. Arslan from Pakistan. Yeah, we have many Pakistan. Yeah, Nigeria is becoming popular as well. South Africa, Holland, hoe gaat het? Ja, my baru. Jamaica.
Wagwan Jamaica.
Wagwan Jamaica.
That's not fair talking about ages, because you just mentioned Raoul's age there, and that's a bit unfair.
I'm Indian living in Dubai.
Raoul is not 55, is he?
I don't know. I was just joking. But I'm
So
quite a
in
bit older than that anyway, so what do I...
India, Madagascar, Zimbabwe, India, born in England, live in Scotland, roots from Kashmir. British Ivorian, Jamil. Ivory Coast, Singapore. Yeah, as I said, we have, you know. So Ibrahim is curious who is the youngest over there. Well, I'm not going to share that with you. It's a bit creepy. But she's 18.
Never too young to learn how to trade forex.
No. I think the younger you are, the better chances you have, especially if you're a man. Because as man gets older, the ego and the testosterone takes over, and men tend to be more emotional in trading, impulsive, very, very impulsive. Revenge trading is one of the main skills of all the traders. But when you're young, it's easy to fix these problems, or it's like training. It's a rude example, but like training a puppy or dog. Training younger people is much easier because they tend to listen to the older, to the more experienced, and if you can correct them to avoid making the same mistakes as you did, they're going to succeed more. That's why if I have a children, a boy or girl, as soon as they can open their eyes, I'm going to show them charts and show them Fibonacci, 61.80, pivot points. Let's have a look on my positions. Gold, you dirty fucker. So, Fake and James, are you waiting for retest of the 61.80 level? No, I'm not going to trade gold anymore. I had 2 or 3, I think even 4 losing trades, so that is against my rules to put any more trades on gold. I have this rule that, you know, if you have 2 losing trades, okay. If you have 3, well, it's not good. If you have 4, get out, stay out.
Actually, if you got your US 30 still open, but I can see you have.
My US 30. Sorry, what did you say?
I was just asking you, actually, if you still that open, because I can see it going up quite a bit.
Yeah, yeah, but you can see my screen, can't you?
Yeah, yeah. I just as I asked, I glanced at the screen and saw you had it open. So
yeah, it's still within the risk tolerance level. I should have stick to sales on gold. So now it's going down. But you know, it is what it is. Losses are built into this game, so once you can shake it off if you have 2 or 3 losing trades, then you will be fine.
Chop.
Daoud.
I have a question.
Sorry?
I have a question.
I like
How
girls.
much do you recommend for capital to trade US 30, like minimum capital?
I don't have this kind of rule or recommendation, but it depends on your broker. If you can,
Because I have IC markets, they only do one whole lot.
yeah, that's the problem. But you know, US 30, you have to be really careful because one lot, you see what positions I open in US 30, 1 or 2 lots. Maybe when I go crazy 5 lots, but there's really tight stop loss because US 30 can wipe out the account very quickly. If it moves quick.
Yeah,
Apart
I've never
from today.
traded it. That's what I was just asking.
But sorry to interrupt, Thomas. For IC markets, so one lot is the equivalent to 0.10. It's different for IC markets.
So they do micro lots.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it is possible. So as Andrew said, Taz, I can't remember because I haven't traded with IC markets for like 4 months. But Forexy does one standard lot. If they break it up to micro lots, and you know, you see one lot, but actually it's a 10th, as Andrew just explained. So you need less capital for that.
Because I realized when you did the last US 30 and we all entered on the Zoom, I had entered the one lot, but our profits were different. So then I realized that your one lot is different to the IC markets one lot.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
just to keep you updated, I closed down the US 30 position because after the stream I'm gonna head out, so I don't want to see any open trades, and it's not going as expected. So gold is dropping, so maybe US 30 is gonna go up, as Christine explained, negative correlation. So closing down all the trades for today. Let's see what's the P&L for today. P&L minus £4. I can live with that. So MMT Forex Group asking, is Forexy my broker? No, I have. It's not my broker. I wish I have a broker. Mansoor Word asking, how old are you? 34. So have a look on this chart, guys. As soon as you know gold stopped out, now it's dropping like crazy.
I caught the retracement at 29, only a little one, 0.01.
Wow. Make sure you don't do the same mistake as Batjes. Lock in some... well, actually 0.01 you can't really lock in profits. You have to close it down or in full.
Yeah, I'll just do it now. Cool. Yeah, I'm out. I took that quick.
So, someone is asking on YouTube, can you show us your P&L? Why not? For 1 week.
He asks you everything.
Yeah, but you know, if he wants to see my P&L, I'm happy to show 1 week. For longer, I'm not going to stream it on live on YouTube because obviously it's not just you watching it. Financial Conduct Authority and the tax office is watching live streams as well. I can guarantee that. That is my P&L. Since 28th. All the way to the 2nd. Oh, sorry, I need to move my thingy. How do I... Even that is roughly about a week. Royale Speed FX. Can you show your P&L okay 1 week? There you go, buddy. Have a look, take a screenshot, save it to the Wang Bank, whatever you want to do with it. I think, is it visible? Yeah, it should be visible now. I moved the... So Dylan tweet, hey AlphaFX, I have a question. Since you have worked at a hedge fund like you said earlier, did you trade tactic change from that point as a retail trader? No, there was nothing like that. I was a fixed income trader. Retails have no access to fixed income products like US bonds and, you know, capital market products. They have no access. So we had other people to work against. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Close the day with minus £4 in loss. So I think it's a reasonable and lucky day. So see you all tomorrow at 8 AM for the team.
Okay. Thank you, Thomas.
Bye, guys.
You, Thomas.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Cheers, Thomas. Bye then.
Okay, people in YouTube. So yeah, that's my P&L on the screen for the past 1 week. If you want to join the team, you can do so because I'm doing a 50% discount for community access. You can go to alphafx.eu. What is that? alphafx.eu. 50% discount is only last until these spaces are filled up. So we have 4 spaces left. If you would like to join, feel free to do so via that link. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. I'm gonna be live streaming tomorrow as well at 1 PM UK time, so feel free to join. Make sure you join the link in the description below for Discord and Telegram, because I'm sharing the stream link into those applications. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
It's all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.